As a business, let's imagine that you could get quickly up and running with a central communication and collaboration tool, which allows you to share files internally and externally, manage all your key projects, and not include any IT overheads, such as backups, expensive servers, or costly downtime due to upgrades. Let's also imagine that this tool went beyond generic file storage and allowed us to introduce approval lifecycles and maintained all of our revisions automatically. Meet Tim. Tim is one of our customers, one of our best customers. But like many in today's demanding climate, Tim needs short lead times. Tim needs us to be able to respond quickly to his needs. And whilst he loves our initial proposal, he needs a few changes to be made by this afternoon. Our project manager, Craig, now realises he only has a few short hours to brief the team and get these changes made. Craig's thinking he could maybe send out a few emails to get the team up to speed, but he recalls last time when a few emails found their way into the junk folder and critical detail was missed. TMS have recently upgraded all of their licenses to 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS, so they now have access to the platform and all of its powerful tools.
Okay, so let's jump into the 3DEXPERIENCE platform where Craig has all of the collaboration tools that come as standard. By creating a dashboard, he can quickly access all of the most important apps and information they'll use for this project. Dashboards can be shared and are completely configurable. They allow Craig to quickly access community posts, updates and important information. By clicking on the notification which arrived from his team and navigating to the Project Planner app, it's really easy to add comments and links to your work throughout the whole project. Initially he thought about sending emails asking for the team to start work on the changes required, but then he realised he can allocate tasks to various individuals throughout the project from the platform. Craig can also use one of the many apps on the platform to explore the product structure and open his designs directly in SOLIDWORKS. Previews are available to visually confirm that you have the correct part, and a whole range of other tools are only a mouse click away. Once the part is opened, you can edit the model and make the required changes in SOLIDWORKS as normal. This change requires a diameter modification, which again is nice and easy in your familiar SOLIDWORKS user interface. The 3DEXPERIENCE pane is your direct connection to the platform right inside SOLIDWORKS. If you have the correct permissions, it's very easy to reserve the part you want to work on, locking it to your local session. You can see that once a change has been made, the platform knows it's different and visually instructs you that a save is required. When saving, you can give the part a new revision and add any comments regarding the changes if you want. The part can be automatically unreserved for use by others, and the green tick indicates that the save has been successful. Craig now needs to uprev the full assembly, therefore identifying this as the new product they should be using. He does this again by easily navigating to the top level and opening in SOLIDWORKS. Scrolling through the assembly, the new revision is clearly visible and the rest of the parts look fine too. It's time to go ahead and move this assembly to revision B1. Everything is looking good in the structure list, so let's go to Save with Options this time. Bookmarks Editor is a great app in the platform. It makes it really simple to navigate in a folder structure similar to Windows Explorer. Craig's team have already created a folder for this project, so he wants to make sure all of the new model information is stored there for quick access. By clicking on the bookmark button, he can navigate to the folders they're working in and save a link right there. You can see the assembly has now been saved, updated, and now showing as revision B1. Jumping back into the Bookmark Editor app and locating the updated bracket, he can simply drag and drop a file link to the Project Planner task, and this link will remain with the task, so there is a direct connection now with the part in the collaborative space and this project. Checking everything looks complete and the link is attached, he can then drag the task to complete, which will notify the rest of the team. There's just one more thing he needs to do before the part can be released. Clicking on the Bookmark tab again, he can select the physical product and change the maturity state from in work to released. Done. But wait a minute, this maturity change will need the engineering manager, Alan's, approval before it's released. It looks like we've hit a roadblock now because Alan is out of the office on a camping holiday. How are we going to complete this now?
So Alan's camping trip needn't be cut short. Alan can review the brief, see the great work carried out by the team, and even see the design changes in situ on the model using nothing but his mobile phone. Putting his seal of approval on the design changes confirms that the team has pulled it off once again, with a little help from the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. When the project is mission critical, you need a flexible tool that allows you to manage the timeline, securely share your data, and communicate with all the key team members. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform is the singular tool that connects the disconnected anytime, anywhere, using any device.